welcome back to the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money. And today we are on part 5 of the 7-part series of our Budgeting with Children series. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about making sure that you're tracking all of your expenses. Now, when we say tracking all of our expenses, that means that we are writing down every single thing that we spend every single time, every single day. Now, I know that it can be a bit much for some when they're trying to make sure that they write down everything, but I promise you, this is going to help you get your budget under control for your family, and it'll help you know exactly where you stand as far as expenses are concerned and what you need to cut out, what you need to increase, what you need to decrease, and all of that. Now, I know in the previous budgeting series, we said that, or in the parts, we said that you need to have your income and expenses written down. You need to know your essentials and your non-essentials. You need to know which one of the budgeting rules you're going to use. Well, you also need to know, okay, what am I spending my money on exactly? Like when you buy a piece of gum or a pack of gum, write that down. When you buy a cup of coffee, write that down. Everything that you pay for out of your pocket, mostly variable expenses, write that down. Now, I'm not saying you need to write down, your bills, your monthly bills that you always pay every single month. You know the amount. It really doesn't change. Remember, that's called a fixed expense. We don't really need to write those down, but we do need to write down the variable expenses, how much you spend on clothes, hair, nails, food, going out to restaurants, entertainment, or if you, like I said, if you get a cup of coffee, those type of things need to be put down on a piece of paper or in a program or something of that nature. Luckily for you, I have a free expense tracker that I have linked in the description box below, and I want you to go ahead and download that. Once you download it, you'll be able to start writing down every single thing that you spend. Do this for at least a month. Most times people say it's best to do it for 3 months in a row so you can see what your tendencies are and what you need to make changes on. But I'm just saying at least do it for a month to see exactly what you're spending on. And then once you have all of that written down, you can go through and highlight the things that you need to keep or the things that you think are important for you every month. And then the things that are not important for you every month, you might be able to either reduce those or to eliminate them altogether. Now, I know people hate to say, well, why do I always have to eliminate something when I'm doing a budget? Things that are not that important, like I keep on saying, sometimes you can do without the subscriptions to your companies that you download videos and movies from. You might be able to find it for free. You might be able to do without, the 25 cups of coffee out in the streets every day of the month, or 30 cups of coffee every day of the month. Maybe you can cut it down to 15 cups of coffee in a month out at the establishments that you want to get the coffee from. So these are just things that I know that will help you when you're trying to make a budget that's budget friendly for your family, and you're trying to make sure that you guys are living beneath your means and taking full advantage of your income and making the changes that you need to live a debt-free and problem-free life and to stop living from paycheck to paycheck. So I hope this stuff has helped you. All this information that I've given you has helped you. You know how you can help me by subscribing to the channel and becoming a part of the Financial Spotlight family. Also, if you want to give me some love, go ahead and check out the merchandise in my shop. My shop is all set up below. You can look at some of the items and see if there's something that you're interested in and go ahead and get those today. But please, by all means, download that free expense tracker today. Get that, print it out, start writing all of your expenses on it, and make sure that if it helps you, you come back here and comment in the comment section how it has helped you change the way you are spending. Thanks for joining me, and I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.